In today's video we will discuss the top 10 things we learned about ChrisFix's the YouTuber. Please make sure you subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. New videos release every Monday through Friday. Number 10. He just started car racing. In a recently uploaded video titled "My First Time Racing a Car," ChrisFix films himself on the racetrack. He featured a friend in the video, and they went to the New Jersey Motorsports Parks and used the Thunderbolt Raceway. The Thunderbolt Raceway is 2.25 miles long with 12 challenging turns. Before he could race, he had to go through his $500 Lemons BMW. For context, the race is called the 24 Hours of Lemons, and the idea is to race on a budget with a $500 car. Number 9. He has cleaning videos. We said ChrisFix makes DIY videos on how to fix cars, but did we mention that he has cleaning videos? The YouTuber has detailed videos on how to clean out different parts of your vehicle, and they're pretty interesting to watch. There's a video titled "How to Super Clean Cloth and Leather Seats" with 3.7 million views since it was uploaded. He also has videos on how to clean your engine bay, how to super clean your windshield, and how to clean out the entire fuel system. Number 8. His Driftstang project car. A few years ago, ChrisFix got into drifting, and he got a project car for drifting. When he asked his subscribers for project car suggestions, most people suggested a Mazda RX-7, Mustang, or a BMW. Of course, these cars are quite expensive, so he instead won a car from a charity auction. The car he won is a Driftstang, and it cost just $1,500. You know what it means when you get a car for such a cheap amount. Firstly, the Driftstang was dirty and then, it wouldn't start. He did a super clean on the car and used starter fluid to get the project car running. With a lot of modifications, the Driftstang has come a long way and now looks different. Number 7. He buys a lot of used cars. The YouTuber buys cheap used cars as cheap as $1,000 and even $300. Some of these cars won't even start. What better way to show people how to fix a car than doing it on a dead car? ChrisFix buys used cars and then makes videos about the work he does on them. You have to admit that it's an interesting content concept. He once bought an SUV that won't start for $300. We're not sure what he does with these cars after working on them because there's no evidence of him selling them out. Though ChrisFix has merchandise on his website, he doesn't like selling stuff. Number 6. He initially went by ChrisFix. Yes, you read that right. We all had different phases while growing up, and ChrisFix is no exception. The YouTuber has admitted that he had a lot of interests while growing up. He once wanted to be a chef but had a change of heart. Later on, ChrisFix started playing the guitar and even got interested in acting. He said that he was interested in fish and biology in elementary school, so he started going by the name ChrisFix. There's a video on his channel from 8 years ago, and it's titled "How to Fillet a Fish." He's recently started a new YouTube channel named ChrisFix, where he shares fishing content. Number 5. Face reveal coming soon. Currently, ChrisFix has over 8 million subscribers and over 1 billion combined views. He has a lot of videos on the YouTube channel and the channel has been growing rapidly. However, even with the number of videos he's made, many subscribers have never seen his face. The YouTuber leads a private life and makes videos without showing his face. Whenever he shows his head, he's always wearing a helmet. He once did a 10-minute interview with his head face down throughout. While this could be a strategy to get people intrigued, ChrisFix has promised to do a face reveal once he hits 10 million subscribers. Number 4. Death rumors. Around 2019, there were rumors about ChrisFix's death. People most likely got confused because there were news reports of CBS ad executive Chris Nielsen Fix's death. How did the YouTuber react to his death rumors? ChrisFix didn't even make a video to debunk the rumors. He just continued doing what he usually does, uploading automotive videos. That sounds like a solid way to debunk death rumors. While people were confused, it's not uncommon for people to start death rumors of popular YouTubers or stars. Even Scotty Kilmer has had death rumors about him. Number 3. Net worth. Like most YouTubers, ChrisFix makes a lot of money from AdSense. He has over 8 million subscribers and a daily viewership of over 60,000. Daily, he makes an estimated amount of $3,699, and keep in mind that YouTube deducts 45%. Dividing his daily views by 1,000 and multiplying the result by the average CPM rate, the daily amount becomes $2,034. Monthly, ChrisFix makes $61,029. Yearly, he earns about $732,350. Apart from AdSense, ChrisFix also makes money from merchandise, and his videos are sponsored by Amazon and Avalon King. These are all estimates, and his net worth amounts to $3 million. Number 2. He got called out by Scotty Kilmer. ChrisFix doesn't seem like a troublesome person, so why would fellow automotive YouTuber Scotty Kilmer call him out? Well, Scotty Kilmer didn't like ChrisFix's video about restoring headlights. According to Scotty Kilmer, a clear coat shouldn't be used on plastic headlights. Scotty Kilmer has said ChrisFix lacks experience and even made digs about how he must know more about fish than cars. Scotty Kilmer also had a problem with ChrisFix's Toyota Prius battery replacement video. He says it encourages amateurs to mess with high-voltage electrical systems. Number 1. Private life. ChrisFix is a very private individual, and in the early days, he got a lot of questions in his YouTube comments about why he hides his face. Now, his subscribers just go with the flow. The YouTuber is 26 years old, and we can't tell if he's married or in a relationship because there's no information on that. However, he makes most of his videos from his parents' driveway and has featured his father, mother, and sister on the channel. He has videos on the channel where he surprised his parents with their dream cars. I hope you enjoyed our breakdown of the top 10 interesting facts about ChrisFix. Please comment below for any ChrisFix facts you think we missed. Do not forget to subscribe to the Top 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.